Duck. Duck. Duck.
What are you doing?
Goose.
Oh.
Do you know what that means?
Disclaimer, we're just having fun. We are not professionals. If you aren't here to enjoy, this channel may not be for you.
What does that mean?
That means that we get to work on your road glide.
Again.
Again. All right, guys. So today is going to be fun because, well, I mean, we're going to make this road glide not look like a 2005 road glide anymore.
Yeah.
So as you can see behind us, we have the fairing off.
Quite a mess going on here.
What does that mean?
Lighting! More lighting.
More lighting. So guys, Eagle Lights just came out with this beautiful
Really tucked.
new headlight. Ooh la 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 la! Come on.
So cool.
It is beautiful. This is going to make this look the most up-to-date road glide there is.
Yeah.
Because that's what
Just
their
like the
lights look
Rushmore, they're called the Rushmore Road Glide, is the newer one. So I think with this in that fairing, it's actually going to resemble it a lot more. We'll see. I'm not saying I'm trying to be that, but I want you guys to choose down in the comments below when we're done and tell us which one you like better. So we got started. We took off the fairing, or I took off the fairing. A little time lapse action. Tanya was, you know, doing stuff. I don't know what she was doing in there.
What's she doing? I never know what she's doing back there.
Do we have a solo cup rating today?
Well, I would say,
Because I don't even have any.
I know, you don't even have one in your
items.
hand. Nothing.
Actually, yes, I do.
There's a project in the garage I don't want to show you guys yet. Solo cup ratings, I would say 3 because this fair, if anybody's done one of these fairings before, putting these headlights, it's
Nightmare!
yes, they are a bear. It all comes down to these god damn hooks right there, these hooks that you have to hang the fairing on. So tools we'll need, I have them laid out here. Tanya has no interest because she didn't have to pick them out, she just needs to use them. So
Exactly.
First thing we'll do is we'll get this headlight in the fairing, which is going to seem a little awkward. I test fitted it, but I came up with some tricks, so we'll show you guys. That ball goes in there like this.
Oh.
So we have some hardware that came with the kit. It's going to use the biggest bolt that they have. It's an Allen, and I believe it's still on the wrench over here. The peasant has her set up. So this is our adjuster that she's putting in right now. Your pants are very distracting to me.
They're snakies.
Yeah, you're a snake.
Snake, slithery snake.
I'm a slithery little snaky snake.
So this light has 2 tabs on it right here. They're going to come through right through your stock tabs area. You'll see this fairing's already plated up from the other Eagle Lights that we have. Yeah, so what's cool about this light as well is it has daytime running lights and turn signals.
Do you want me to clip it in?
Yeah, clip it in, that's fine.
Clip it in.
I won't know how to adjust it until T-handle Allens are your friend. Just to learn the twirl. Lots of shiny things near Tanya right now, and this is scary.
Stop it. My bike's gonna be mostly shiny too, so.
I know. So this is where it kind of looked a little bit awkward for us, and I just wanted to address it for everybody. So you'll notice that the headlight actually kind of sticks out of the front a little bit, but the new fascia here that they give us, it's actually it covers everything up, and it's actually gonna make the fairing look more like the Rushmore Road Glides. I know that was stressful. This fairing is always stressful. They're so much harder on the older ones compared to the newer Road Glides. Red wire is your running light. Purple is your left directional, and this brown is your right directional. They come with
right, left.
Yeah, they come with extensions on them. So you basically just plug them in.
You want to do that now?
Yeah, we can do that now.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you what I did, guys, and some of you will love it, some of you will, I know, hate it. But here's what I do. So, just through a little thing, these little teak things on. We'll just jump the directionals like that. As far as for the running switch, I'm just gonna spade it. You'll see that. I'm just gonna spade it and throw it into the extra headlight plug. It's like, so yeah, we'll just, Tanya, we could just snip this boy that guy right in half, and then we're gonna throw a spade on it. There you go. Is that your first wire you've ever stripped before?
No. What's wrong with you?
I have to twist that up a little bit to get in there.
Really?
Tanya always wanted to have a bike show in the back.
Oh, you think that's me?
Well,
I mean, I don't mind it.
Might as well have them out of the garage, air their asses out a little bit.
Air their asses out. I'm gonna air your ass out. I don't think they're big enough for my head.
Oh, it's crushing your head already.
Oh, is it? I feel like I should clamp it more.
No.
No?
You don't need to. It's not necessary.
I want to send it home, really. I don't know. It makes me nervous, but
Why? What's
I
going
don't know. Nothing's going on.
You're
I
good.
just...
That's not going anywhere.
No?
No. All right. Let's start the daunting task of trying to get this fairing back on.
No!
I know.
I don't want... Can you do that by yourself?
We have...
I'll go inside.
We have these little slots here and need to go back on to those bastard clips.
Wait for me. Alright.
Wait.
Got our bubble wrap?
I just got the first.
Stop it. Did you get it? No.
Yeah. Well, can you know why that headlight's bigger in the back?
Yeah.
And it was like pushing on it?
Stop it.
That's it. That's all.
We thought we were gonna be here for hours. Like 1 attempt, 2 attempt. But it actually worked out really well.
For now, we'll see. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean.
I think it's on, yeah. Is it the longer one or the smaller one?
What is the smaller one?
Is there a longer one or a smaller one?
Are they different sizes? Oh yeah, they are. That's why that one doesn't want to go up.
That's what she said.
Whoops. Remember where your bolts go. Whoa, that's why we cover our tank up.
Alright, all the lights are working.
So you can continue on.
I had to think about that first. I was like, maybe we should turn everything on before we start buttoning everything back up. Sweating.
Sweating to the oldies.
It's sweating time!
So, what do you think?
I love it.
I love it too.
I love it.
It's definitely, it's so different. Like my mind can't adjust to it. It's making me think like it's a 2015 and newer.
Yeah.
It honestly is.
Yeah. I mean, I loved the look of the other ones.
Me too.
But I think this just makes it look so much more up to date.
Yeah.
Really.
It's definitely more modern looking.
Yeah.
So we really want to hear from you guys what you guys think.
Yeah.
If you guys, which one you like better? You like the other style or do you like this one? Woo! There we go. That's the high beam. Oh my lord. Why don't you give it a turn signal? Oh my, it's hard to look at. Alright, so the turn signal's giving us the other one. Wow. Now give them the low beam after they turn the turn. Alright, turn signal off. So the lights on the side are your running lights. Those are the ones that we kind of just jumped off the other headlight bulb that we had there, or the other headlight plug that we had there. Really cool looking though.
Yeah.
Because it looks wild. It really does.
Yeah. I think it looks great. And again, I think it's an easy way to make your bike look like it's a newer. Did we figure out what generation that is?
That's the second generation now, because this is the first generation.
Okay.
So if you want the older lights that are the 2, or do you want the newer one, whatever way, we're going to save you money on it with Eagle Lights.
As you know, 15% off if you use our code VP_customs, and you know what to do from there.
Yeah, you're going to save a lot of money.
Yeah.
A lot of
A
money.
lot. Especially, you know, obviously when things are higher in price, you're going to have more money off. So.
People have asked us too which windshield that is. It's the Memphis Shades.
Yeah.
That's the 5.5 tinted.
I think it looks good. I think that's key.
I think I may go for a higher one in the future, but it definitely does the job.
And oddly enough, guys, as we talked about before, it was like we put the fairing back on at 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, fell right on, fell on together.
A nightmare, and
you know what it is that this style lights, they're bigger in the back, and it was pushing on all the wires. So the key to that actually was for me to take out one of them when I installed it.
Yeah.
And then it just falls back together. Honey, why don't you clean up the greasy chicken wing fingerprints all over this bike?
Your greasy chicken fingerprints.
We're using our favorite stuff, the 1903 spray wax.
Woo.
Smells like grapes.
Oh, it smells lovely.
It's another thing that we could save you some money on. We only like to tell you guys about the good products that we really like. You can save 20% off with our code for that one as well. Your bike's just glaring at us from the corner.
I know. I'm waiting here for you. Says help me.
Help me, I'm ugly.
Me. Guys, we have so many parts coming in too.
Oh yeah.
For the Road King. I think we need to nickname it Road Queen.
The Road Queen. That's perfect. We'll get the emblems made for the fender and everything. Road Queen.
Oh, how gaudy is that?
Ah, it'll be fine.
It'll be fine?
I think the direction you want to go might fit right in.
That's true.
You're a douchebagger.
I'm going to be a real douchebagger.
Yeah. Lowered, stretched, everything. No, I don't know. We'll see about that, guys. I promise my night train did not go anywhere, guys. It's just Tanya always wants me to use the bags.
Don't blame it on me.
Now she's got her own bags, so I can ride my night train again. She got spoiled having saddlebags, and these things were always filled. People commented we went to Indian Larry.
Well, I don't need your bags anymore because I have my own.
Exactly.
And guess what, guys? It's on the road. It's on the road.
Yeah, we registered it today, so she'll be able to ride it now. We still got to go through a couple things.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, there's some things that we have to go through on the handlebars, throttle, clutch.
Yeah.
Before.
Just tiny little stuff. We're gonna change the oil and stuff. Stuff that you guys won't be interested in.
Yeah, as always.
Thanks for watching.
Stay tuned for the next one.